May pag-ibig fund ka na ba? Naghahanap ka kung saan mo pwedeng ilagay ang investments mo na low risk pero okay ang returns for diversification? You might want to enroll in Pag-IBIG MP2. Highest recorded dividend rate nila was 8.11% last 2017. Pwede mo itong gawin online. No need na pumunta sa office nila for your safety and convenience. Check out the video for the step-by-step process on how to enroll in Pag-IBIG MP2 Online. So what is MP2? The MP2 Savings is a special savings facility with a 5-year maturity designed for Pag-IBIG Fund members who wish to save more and earn even higher dividends. In addition to their Pag-IBIG regular savings, the program is also open to pensioners and retirees who were former Pag-IBIG Fund members. So here are the steps. Step 1, go to www.pagibigfundservices.com/mp2enrollment/. Step 2, you're ready with these details. So enter the details needed. Like for example, Pag-IBIG MID number, last name, first name, and date of birth. And then enter the code sa box sa baba, then click the submit button. Step 3, enter desired monthly contribution. Pwede kang magsimula for as low as 500 pesos per month. Pwede mo rin ito hindi i-follow and maghulog ka higher than this if kaya. Allow din to skip payments as long as nasa 500 ang minimum account value mo. Pero the higher you save, the higher the dividends you will earn. Step 4, select preferred dividend payout. Meron kang 2 options for dividend payout. First, annually. Makukuha mo ang dividends yearly. Choose this one if gusto mong mag-withdraw ng dividends yearly. Option 2, 5-year or end term. After ng 5-year term mo, makukuha ang dividends mo. The term would start sa date of your first deposit. Mas better option ito if longer horizon ang goal mo for your investment. Mas better din ito for higher in dividends and para ma-appreciate mo ang power of compounding. Step 5, select mode of payment. Choose your mode of payment. May 3 options ka. First, salary deduction. You can choose this one if currently employed ka. Need mo mag-submit ng copy sa HR ng isang copy ng Pag-IBIG MP2 enrollment in PDF form. Option 2, over the counter. If gusto mo magbayad through Pag-IBIG offices directly. And lastly, through any Pag-IBIG collecting partners. For convenience, mas better option ito para pwede ka magbayad through GCash, PayMaya, etc. Step 6, select your source of funds. Choose your source of funds kung saan manggagaling ang savings o ihuhulog mo sa Pag-IBIG MP2 account mo. The options are employment income, savings or deposits, property sale, sale of share or other investment, loan, company sale, company profits or dividends, gifts, maturity, surrender of life policy, or other income sources. Step 7. Click Submit button. Pagkatapos mo ma-fill out lahat, you can now click Submit button. Step 8. You will now have your enrollment form in PDF format. If pinili mo ay salary deduction, need mo mag-submit ng printed copy nito sa HR department ninyo. For other modes, pwedeng mag-keep ka lang ng copy nito or take note of your Pag-IBIG MP2 account number. Step 9. Take note of your 12-digit Pag-IBIG MP2 account number. Your Pag-IBIG MP2 account number is the 12-digit number on the upper right. Ito ang gagamitin mo to pay for your contributions. Congratulations! You can now start your contributions to your Pag-IBIG MP2 account. To check your contributions and dividends online, also create a virtual Pag-IBIG account. May ginawa na din akong tutorial video on how to make your virtual Pag-IBIG. Link on the description.